where you at? You're gonna follow me on this little journey right now. That's right, guys. And the most importantly, I want to just say thank you for all the love and support, because if it wasn't for you guys supporting me along the way, I wouldn't be able to make these dreams come true. And if it wasn't for all the people that I have aligned in my life to give me these opportunities, I wouldn't be able to make these dreams come true. So guys, if you get value out of this at the end, if you really love what I got going on, I would please appreciate if you drop a like, subscribe, comment, and share this with anybody that you know can follow and use my journey as inspiration and to learn. All right, so here we are. This is the facility. I've been excited to share with this, you guys. I've been working out in here on the back end, not really posting crazy amount of stuff like this, but I've been working out of here in parts of the building for probably a little bit over a year now, shooting some of my content here through spurts. You've probably seen in some of the studio style settings, but now we're in full throttle to really get this out and start talking about it to the people out there, and to really start pushing what we're pushing here. And what I'm excited mostly about here too is that we're getting a team together. As you can see, we've been lining up desks, we got chairs, we got tables. As you can see, we're getting some stuff in here. It's still very raw, guys. Got a little chair area, but we got momentum moving here. We're building a team together to create what we're creating, guys. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a lot of traction. It's gonna be something very new coming your way, but we're gonna have a tremendous hub where we're gonna be able to utilize on a daily basis, and it's gonna bring you guys a lot of value, and I'm excited for that. As you can see, we got a whole corner wall here. We're gonna do a lot of really cool stuff in here. Not sure exactly how we're gonna utilize it yet, but we might throw up a TV. We might have that table there, put some other stuff, but we have most of the team on this side. Little cherry over here, come follow along. Keep in mind, don't forget about our stripper pole over there. No, I'm just kidding. Yes, our stripper pole, our fake stripper pole. But follow me along over here. So as you guys can see, this is one of the rooms in the building. We're still thinking what we're gonna do, but most likely what it might be is a little chill eating area. People can come, hang out, grab a snack or eat their lunch, and we're gonna just set it up for that. Potentially that's what it's gonna probably be. Who knows, it can change, but that's what we're thinking right now. Come in, bathroom number one. Bathroom number one's in here. Everything's very raw right now, but as it gets built out, it'll look nice. And then this is gonna be the multi-purpose content creating room. So we're gonna have different little sections. We're gonna shoot the podcast out from here. We're gonna be able to shoot other forms of content, and we can also have our team in here to do some meetings on the big table that we're gonna have as well, discussions. So it's gonna be very, very cool. As you can see, we already have some of the chairs lined up here already. Let me test one out. Woo! I can see myself spending time on here. I love the color and the gold finish at the bottom. Makes it pop out, really cool. And as you can see over here, we got the tall table with the two Barstool Styles chairs. And this is for just certain types of content that we're gonna be shooting. So everything is content friendly, and we can shoot different styles of content on here with when we have the table come in with these chairs. Then we're gonna put a really cool big rug on the floor. Obviously, we're gonna finish all this stuff over here as well. And hold up, I gotta show you bathroom number two. Come on, what am I doing? All right, bathroom number two. As you can see, we got bathroom number two in here. No lights yet, let me see. Oh, here we go, here's the light. But if you need to take a shower, you can just come over here. That's right. So if we need a shower, we can shower. And that's the perk about bathroom number two. All right, moving along. The cool thing is, guys, as we're finishing through the little tour, there's flow, right? So what we want to make sure there's flow when you're coming in. So that way, everybody who needs to go to their workstations, everybody who needs to come over here can just come over here. And if we have stuff going on over here, like a meeting, we got content going on, a podcast going on, there's no interruption. And that's what we're gonna put an on-air sign here. So that way people know coming in, there's stuff going on over here and there's no interruption. And then obviously we'll probably put something cool on this wall. But guys, I just want to share with you this quick experience with you all, because it's super exciting for me, the ones joining me on this venture, the ones that allow me to be part of this venture as well, to be able to give you guys and share with you guys what we have going on and in the near future, because there is some other really cool surprises coming your way. So stay tuned for more. Once again, if you got value, if you enjoyed this, if you want to know more about this, you want more of this style content, Please leave feedback in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe, share, because the more love you show to me, the more love you can show back. Till next time.